Alright, ito yung mga companies who will be sharing their earnings this week. Baka may makilala kayo dyan. Kagaya nito, Domino's Pizza sa Monday. I think sa Wednesday, Tesla. Alphabet yung Google. Nokia, kala nyo ba nandiyan yan pa rin ng Nokia? IBM, 3M, yung gumagawa ng mga tapes, tsaka mga medical equipments or mga basta something related sa medical. GM Motors. So kung meron kayong mga stocks na nabili, baka nakalimutan ninyo, magde-declare sila ng earnings sila this week. So this can also affects the price movement this week. So follow for more. I'll be sharing something like this maybe once a week. But alam natin kung invest kayo sa VUL or sa iba pang tax related na investment, mga equities, better na updated kayo dito. Alright? Follow for more.